How to change delivery address on UPS. So if you want to change your delivery address on UPS, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go for the search bar and search for UPS and go for the first search, which is www.ups.com, and here go for the login, which will be on the upper right, and make sure to log into your account. So before getting started, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And now once you've logged in, you can go for the upper right and click on your profile, and then you can go for my choice, and after that select the package that you would like to change the delivery address. So for example, I have not ordered anything, so if you want to change your delivery address, then you can simply choose your package. Your package will be here, so click on your package, and once you selected your package, you can go for delivery option. But if you don't have the delivery option, then the shipper has restricted this option, so you will not be able to change it. So you need to reroute your package to the different location or change the delivery date. And this way you can change your delivery address on your UPS. So that's it, that's how you change it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.